Hey everybody. So today we're going to do the spot the difference project, where we're going to hide some things in plain sight and see if you can spot the difference. And before I get started on changing these flowers up and stuff like that, I need to get it set up so I have two pictures in one so I can compare them side by side. Now there's lots of different ways to do this. One of my preferred ways is just to double the canvas size. And you do that by going up here to Image and then clicking Canvas Size. So right now my width is 977 pixels, height 563. I need to double one of those numbers. I typically like to double the smaller number, so 563 doubles to 1126. And I click OK. And what that does is it allows the size to be doubled. Now if you get these white spaces, it's because you had your background layer locked. You might need to Control-Z and unlock it. Now I just bring my picture to the top, and then I can copy and paste it and bring that other picture down here to the bottom. And it should fit perfectly because we doubled the picture. Zoom, fit to screen, and now I have them side by side. But I do have these multiple layers. If you're cool with working with the multiple layers, you can leave it as is, or you can right click and then click Flatten Image. And that'll pancake the layers together and make it a solid color, solid picture. Now the next thing I want to do, there's lots of different ways you can go about hiding these. Of course, you can use the clone stamp tool, where you hold down Alt and click, and then you can kind of get rid of stuff that way. And it works for most parts. In a lot of places, it totally could work for you. A lot of people will copy something and paste it into the picture. There's one thing I do want to show you guys. It's called the Content Aware Fill. And how it works is you take your lasso tool and you select something you're wanting to eliminate from your picture, like this. I'm going to do a little bit better of a loop around it. Let's say I want to get rid of this little flower here. And then what I do is I hit Edit, Content Aware Fill. And this screen will pop up, and what it's doing is Photoshop is using the green space to try to figure out what would go inside of your lasso. And this is the picture that will end up looking like. And if you don't like what's appearing, you can alter this green space by either adding to it, and then you'll see how it changes a little bit here, or subtracting from it. Or you can get rid of parts. So like, I don't want any of this pink flower in there, and I don't want any of these stems in there, right? And it'll change it. And so now it's using just this green area, trying to figure out what it thinks the picture would look like. And then when you click OK, it eliminated that. Now unfortunately it still looks a little photoshopped. As you see, I got a pretty rigid line here, so there's definitely some things I can do better on it. But that's kind of an easy way to get your screen set up for the project, and along with that start eliminating different things. Thank you.